going to DeSoto Nissan. See what's going on with it. I think this customer is leaving town, so they're going to want to get an oil change, a multi-point inspection, get the battery checked out, tires checked, make sure I ain't got no nails in them, and check the CVT fluid, make sure everything is, you know, how it should be. Taking 35 South. It's one of my favorite highways. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pulling up on it. Nissan Altima Energy. It's got some nice brakes on it. I feel like I've worked on this car before, but I'm not sure. Not sure.
That I got from like O'Reilly or something like that.
Yeah.
So would I be able to drive?
Yeah, as long as it's not clogged up or anything.
Oh, but you'll check to see if it's clogged up?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll check all that stuff just to make sure.
Some kind of way I done
Nick
got
the
this down. Yeah, that down. I didn't know if you could.
Yeah.
Put a screw in it.
No worries.
Okay.
No worries.
Okay. All right. Oh, so you want me to leave the
Oh, yep.
key with you?
That'll work.
Okay. So yeah, just call me. I'll be in the house. I'm gonna text or whatever.
Okay.
Okay.
Sounds good. Shouldn't take too long either.
Oh, great. Oh, also, we'll have to, I know we won't have time to do it today.
Mm-hmm.
Like, my car shakes, and I think it's the front rotors.
Oh, when you coming off the highway on stops and stuff? Okay.
But I don't know if you can do that, look at that today.
I can. If you wanted to get it replaced, we can get some rotors, either from O'Reilly's or from AutoZone. And if you wanted to wait, we could also order them. So, either or.
Okay. But are the rotors the one, like, if you keep driving on them, you'll mess them up and do more damage?
Pretty much when the brakes go bad, but I looked at your brakes when I pulled up and they were just fine. Okay. So it's probably just the outer round on the rotors that you're feeling.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Great.
Got that fixed for the most part. Just cut a split since it was already damaged. So a piece of it is going underneath. The rest is still screwed in since it was warped. Still on a slow drip. Like to get everything out. Okay. We got oil. Yeah, and I think it's 4.5 to 4.9 quarts of 0W20 flavor using a full synthetic. It smells pretty good too. I think I've tried this one before. Four point 4.7. That's good. Not too bad. Verify that it was just that one code. Now we're gonna reset it, or just make sure that it's reset. Gotta go to maintenance. Maintenance, service, 8,000. That's good. All set. Got the oil and filter change, added a fuel system cleaner, checked the codes, added some windshield wipers, checked all the tires, the brakes, fixed that undercarriage situation. Good to go. All right, and we're on to the next one. I think the next one, I want to say it might be out here, but not sure. Y'all gonna see.